This video explains the use of easy panels on boards in the presentation areas. When you are in a meeting or training area, you will see boards with so-called easy panels. You can recognize them by the two icons above a board. Any users within the CoGET areas can use these panels to easily put up an image or a presentation on the board. If you click on the icon with the 3 stars, you will see a list of assets you can place on the board. The most used are PDF presentation, image, video, streaming screen and whiteboard. All the others are not really something for on a board, but you might want to experiment with it. To give you an example, if you want to present a PowerPoint presentation, first you have to save the PowerPoint as a PDF and then you can upload it to the board. After loading, there will be a right and left arrow to switch between the different slides, and you can also show and switch the pages at the bottom of your screen if you first click on the presenter icon, which is at the top. You can delete the presentation by clicking the red bin icon at the top. Another item that's used a lot is the streaming screen. If you select that, the presenter can either show a webcam or share one of the computer screens. Also here you can delete it using the red bin icon. It's also possible to show a web page using the web browser. This is a synchronous browser, so all movements and clicks you do will also be seen by the others. You can even set it so all can handle it, like when you are working on one document, but in order to place this web browser you have to be the owner of the area or an admin. You can also upload a single image from your own computer or by searching on Google. Or you can upload a small video or a whiteboard for all users to cooperate. Just experiment with it, it's fun. Well, that's all about the easy panels.